Hello everyone.
Trial within a trial of Senzomiwa murder trial is continuing at the Pretoria High Court, and things are getting more tense as cops are being exposed for lying under oath. Advocate Monyeki, who is assisting Adv Mshololo, re-examined Sergeant Mohane on the AVL report. He then put it to the witness that he was at the engine garage in Albertson from 1853 up until the next morning, and told him to tell the court that what was he doing during those hours in the garage. The witness said he had an issue with his car. He then called Geninda and told him that their car is giving them problems. Brigadier Geninda told him to phone Metro Police to assist them. Advocate Monyeki, so does he admit that this crucial evidence he never mentioned in his evidence in chief. His spokesperson couldn't wait. Judge Rata Mokgatleng was very ready to defend the witness and asked which evidence he's talking about. The fact that he called Geninda. Monyeki said no, he's talking about the evidence that they went to a garage and stayed there for the entire evening. The witness said if he was listening, he did say that they had problems with their car and they didn't stop there for the whole night because they arrived in Pretoria at around 3 a.m. Advocate Monyeki said that that's not correct. It's on the record that he left the garage on the 19th from 1853 till the midnight he was there. The sergeant was confused about the midnight and said, can he explain further? He doesn't understand the word midnight. Advocate then said that the AVL shows that he left at 12:19 midnight, and further said that this information was not on his evidence during cross-examination of counsel number 1 and 2. State Prosecutor Baloyi objected that and said that is not correct because he mentioned a mechanical breakdown. Monyeki said they were never gonna get this information if the AVL report was not presented before court. Judge Rata said, but Baloyi said he did mention it. Monyeki told Judge Rata that this crucial information became clearer after the AVL report was submitted. Mohane kept on insisting that he mentioned this evidence. Monyeki said he's correct, but he doesn't understand. In his evidence in chief, he didn't include this evidence. The witness said he's disputing that. Monyeki said that there was a time he was asked about 17 hours that he spent with the accused on the 19th of June. He said that he took the accused number 2 and went with him because he was going to get bored in the cells and was busy with other investigations. The witness said that's correct. Monyeki said that this was his opportunity to tell the court about the breakdown in the garage. Then there was back and forth. Mohane didn't want to admit that he withheld the information. Judge Rata told Monyeki to leave this for argument because Mohane can't argue forensic evidence. Now they will argue forever with this. Advocate continued and asked the witness that since he was assisted by Jonathan, how did they pay the mechanic? The witness said he doesn't know because it was Jonathan's mechanic. Monyeki put it to him that Jonathan never mentioned this evidence, that he had to organize the mechanic during his cross-examination. The witness said he doesn't know that and he won't respond. Monyeki said that it's because this incident of a mechanic didn't happen, that's why he never mentioned it. The witness insisted that it happened. Monyeki asked the witness that where did he go after leaving the garage. The witness said that they went to Pretoria North and they didn't make any stops. Monyeki said that's not correct because he went to Everton. The witness said that could be the truth because he can't remember where he stopped, but in Everton it's one of their head offices. Monyeki further said that according to the AVL, he stopped there for 30 minutes and what was he doing there with the accused number 2 at midnight? The witness said that maybe he went there to fetch documents, but he can't remember. Monyeki said even this evidence he didn't bother to tell the court. The witness said he's refusing because he had already testified about this place, but no one asked him what he was doing there. The advocate said he'll leave that for argument's sake because it's not correct. Monyeki further said that they arrived at 2:30 at the police station, the whole 17 hours with the suspect, and he mentioned that whatever he was eating, also the accused would have it. Is there any proof that can show that they bought things for Ntanzi? He said he doesn't know what evidence to bring. It's been 3 years, but he did eat, and the food didn't stay in our intestines. Monyane asked the witness that his expositions are that the court must believe him with no evidence. The witness responded and said they had humanity they ate the same food with the accused. Monyeki said he left that for argument's sake and continued and put it to the witness that on the 19th of June, the accused was booked back at 2:30 in the morning. What time did they book him out? He said they booked him at 4:50 in the morning. Monyeki said between 2:30 and 4:50, that is less than 3 hours. He was in his car for 17 hours. Wasn't that time for him to bath during that 3 hours? The witness said Ntanzi was always clean. Monyeki said so according to him, 20 minutes was spent for showering. Judge Ratara interfered and said he can't do that. He doesn't know if there was a shower there or he showered. The witness said he never smelled a bad odor. Now he wants to delay time. Monyeki said that's fine, your lordship. So at 2:30, do suspects have a meal at about 2:30 prepared for them. The witness said as they were traveling with him, he had food even in courts. After attending the courts, they would go and buy food for him, and every day he was eating and they will go to Sasol garage. Advocate then said there's an AVL report. Can he show where he stopped to buy food? Judge Rata was so scared that the witness is exposing himself. He said they ate at Engine Garage where Mngomezulu was cross-examining him, and at times they would stop at Sasol garage. Monyeki asked him if he can produce evidence that indeed they bought food at the garage. He said food does not stay in the intestines. Monyeki said he'll leave that for argument. He then said on the 19th of June at about 4:30, they booked out the suspect to Moroka police station. The witness said he was booked out at about 4:50 to Foslera's court, not in Moroka. Monyeki said, but that's when Gininda called them so that they can go to Moroka. The witness confirmed it. Monyeki then said they proceeded to Foslera's court. The witness confirmed it. Monyeki went on to say they also found out that the case was struck off roll. The witness said he doesn't understand because they were still going for that matter. Advocate then said in his evidence, he said he went to Moroka, then went to Foslera's court, and upon his inquiry, they found out that the matter was not on the roll. The witness said that is not the truth because the matter was not yet placed on the roll. It was a new matter. Monyeki said his point is that accused number 2 never appeared in Foslera's court. The witness said he's an experienced lawyer. He knows once the matter is not placed on the roll, the suspect won't appear in court. Advocate insisted that the suspect never appeared in court on that day. He then continued and said he was not interested in reasons, and said from Foslera's court they went to Moroka. Did he explain to the court why he went back to Moroka? The witness said he did explain. Advocate then said he's only saying this evidence because of AVL report, not on his initial cross-examination. The witness said he can't remember, but that would have been a mistake if he didn't tender this evidence under his cross-examination in chief. Advocate Monyeki asked him if he's in Moroka and wants to go to Pukeng, which way would be closest way. The witness said that the route that he knows is N1, Pretoria, then go to Rustenburg. The advocate said that the quickest way is from Moroka to Randfontein from Krugerstop, then Mkhalis. Then he'll be in Rustenburg, 1 hour 30 minutes. He said he won't disagree with him, but he used the one he knows. The advocate further asked him that where did he go after arriving in Rustenburg. He said he can't remember whether they went to a police station or they went to the accused place. The advocate said he's sober assaulting and he knows why he's doing so because his evidence on the 14th of November, he told the court that is how he know Bao Freedom Park. He went straight to accused number 2 residence. Does he still remember that? He said he does remember. However, when referring to Bao, he was referring to the AVL report. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.